Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with information. In the xy plane above, a circle with radius pi as its center at the origin. Point A lies on the circle and has coordinates m, n. What is n in terms of theta? We have to find the value of the y coordinate n in terms of theta. Okay, so in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vertical line from point A to x-axis. Since it's a vertical line, the angle between the vertical line I have drawn and x-axis 90 degrees. So here we have 90 degree. Let me say this is point B. So now we have OAB, right triangle over here. In this right triangle OAB, so the length of the horizontal segment OB is the exponent m. So m is the length of this leg of the triangle OB, and the length of the leg AB of the triangle is the y coordinate over here, it's n. So because here we have n and here at this position we have the value m on the x-axis, so this length is m and this length is n. Okay, now we have to solve for n in terms of theta. Already we know the radius of the circle, that is phi. So we can use secant because when I go over the options, we have phi sin theta in option A, in option B phi cosine theta, in option C we have tangent theta. So we have trigonometric functions. So I think we have to get the value of this y coordinate n as a trigonometric function. So for that we have to use secant. So secant means like we have to understand the name of the sides of this right triangle. Always the side which is across the right angle is hypotenuse. So OA is the radius of the circle is being as the hypotenuse of this right triangle OAB. And so since we have theta over here, the side which is opposite to theta is called opposite side, and the remaining leg is called adjacent. Okay, our aim is to find the length of the opposite side, that is n, in terms of theta. So for that, what we can do is we can use the sine theta. So because in the trigonometric function sine, we have the two sides opposite and hypotenuse. So why should I take hypotenuse over here? So because when I look at the given answer choices, it is not given in terms of m. We don't find m in any of the given answer choices. In case if I consider the trigonometric function which has opposite side and adjacent side, we may get the answer in terms of m, but in none of the answer choices we have m. So we have to consider the trigonometric function which has opposite side and hypotenuse. So in the trigonometric function sine, we have opposite side and hypotenuse. So sine theta equals to opposite side over hypotenuse. Let me write the stuff over here. Okay, sine theta equals to the length of the opposite side is n and the length of the hypotenuse is phi. But our aim is to solve for n. So for that we have to get of the denominator phi. So for that I have to multiply both sides of this equation by phi. Then this phi will cancel out. I'm getting phi times sine theta equals to n. Now I got the value of n in terms of theta. So the value of n is phi sine theta. So I find phi sine theta in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A, phi sine theta.